Welcome back to Remote Life with Jack, everyone. If you've been looking for a remote job with limited phone work, this one is the one you've been waiting for. Cardinal Health is hiring right now for multiple work-from-home roles, and some of these are more behind-the-scenes, task-based positions with less time on the phone. We're talking steady schedules, entry-level friendly options, and real remote opportunities to get into the healthcare field. So don't skip and let's get into these job leads. Our first role is the Representative 2 Customer Service Operations Specialist. This is a full-time remote within the United States, so no matter where you are, you can apply. The hours are Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you would do in this role, you will manage customer orders and process those orders. You will track orders, delays, and inventory issues, communicate with internal teams and resolve problems. You will also handle special orders and samples. The qualifications for this position is a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 to 3 years experience with customer service or order processing, and basic problem-solving skills and communication skills. This is a good fit if you like behind-the-scenes, non-phone work. You are detail-oriented and can manage data, orders, and timelines. It's a great remote role if you want customer service without heavy phone and steady workday hours. The range for this position goes up to $18.50 per hour. So if this is something that you are interested in, this link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is a coordinator for the individualized care. This is also a full-time remote within the United States. So again, no matter where you are, you can apply. So in this role, you will help patients access therapy insurance coverage. You will handle inbound calls, follow up with patients, pharmacies, and doctors. You'll verify insurance benefits, resolve claim issues. You'll also manage cases and document patient info. The qualifications for this position is also a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 to 3 years experience with customer service, healthcare preferred, and strong communication and problem-solving skills. This is a good fit if you want healthcare and that customer service experience. You're able to handle sensitive information, complex cases, and you like helping people through the process. In this role, it does go up to $25 per hour. So it is a great higher paying remote role with equipment provided and growth in the healthcare field. So if this is something that you are interested in, you can apply to the link that is listed in the description. Our next role is the Accounts Receivable Specialist with Medical Billing. This is also a fully remote within the United States. It is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or based on business needs. So in this role, you will submit and process insurance claims. You will fix denied, rejected claims and follow up on unpaid balances. You will verify insurance post-payments and also assist patients with billing and payment plans. The qualifications for this position is a high school diploma, GED, or a bachelor's degree in business. Also, 2 years medical billing revenue cycle experience. They would also like to see strong Excel and computer skills and also have that strong knowledge in Microsoft Excel and familiar with ICD-10 coding. This would be a good fit if you have that healthcare billing experience, can manage deadlines and multiple accounts. This role goes up to $25.78 per hour. This is also a great higher paying remote role if you have that medical billing or revenue cycle experience. So if this is something that you are interested in, this link will be in the description for you to apply. Our next role from Cardinal Health is a Representative 2 Customer Service Operations with the new patient onboarding. So this role is fully remote within the United States. It is Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m., 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or as business needed. So in this role, what you would do is verify patient insurance, whether that's calls or online. You will process referrals and reprocess orders. Complete about 50 audits daily. You will enter data in the system to ensure the accounts are accurate. In this position, they would like to see that you have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 year experience in customer service in healthcare. They will also like for you to have strong attention to detail and computer skills. Again, you will work from home full time. This role goes up to $18.50 per hour. This would be a good fit for anyone that likes structured, task-based work, detail-oriented, and want a non-phone leading healthcare role. So if this is something that you are interested in, this link will be in the description to apply. Our last role is a representative 2 customer care order placement specialist. It is fully remote within the United States. Training would be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is mandatory. After training is a flexible shift, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and some Saturdays. So what you would do in this role, you will handle about 60 to 80 inbound calls daily. You'll place reorder medical supplies. You'll also assist with billing, order issues, and customer questions. You'll also navigate multiple systems and resolve customer problems. The requirements for this position is a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 to 4 years call center experience preferred, strong phone and multitasking skills. This is a great fit if you can handle high call volume, are comfortable explaining insurance information, and you want stable remote work with growth potential. This role, it does go up to $18.50 per hour. So if you are interested in this role, the link will be in the description to apply. All right, fam, those are the job leads for today. If you're serious about landing a remote job, don't wait, apply as soon as possible because these roles fill fast. Make sure you check the links in the description, comments. If you want more daily job leads just like this, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications. And before you go, drop a comment and let me know, are you looking for phone jobs or non-phone jobs? I got you either way. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.